I need to hurry up and pack because I was up last night. I didn't get the chance to do it last night because I was doing these bad boys. So if you guys don't know, I am allergic to extensions. And I decided to jump on the bandwagon of doing cluster lashes. TikTok influenced me. Okay, don't tell me, do not come for me, because I already know cluster lashes are so bad for your natural lashes, but I'm only planning of having them for this weekend, and I think they came out pretty good. What do you think? My trainer said she liked them. I don't know, I'm still trying to learn how to use them. I feel like I used a little too much glue. I don't know, it's really different wearing these. So yeah, if I do not react to these, then these might be my new addiction, because it sucks being a lash artist, not being able to wear extensions. Okay, so yes, I need to go make lunch, more like breakfast because it's still 10. Pack up my stuff, also pack up the products for my students' training kits. What else? Yeah, I just have a lot of packing to do. So we will see. I don't even know what the heck I'm gonna wear out there. I went and bought some stuff yesterday, but even then I'm just like, I don't know. It's gonna be 2, 3, 4, 5-day weekend, so I need to pack a lot. And I also told my trainer that I was gonna be working out at the gym at the hotel. I gotta pack workout clothes too. I've been sitting in the car for far too long. Let's go inside. Little vlogger over there.
Also a vlog.
You're making your deviled eggs? It's too early for that.
No.
It's not done yet, but first waffle is done. Beautiful. Good morning, guys. More like afternoon. Well, no, technically, because it's still 10. So we ended up waking up early, and then we went down to have breakfast. And then while I was having breakfast, I met a subscriber, which was totally random. It was so weird because I turned around and she was like talking to me, and I'm like, what? I was like, what is even going on? But she was so sweet. So she is here for Lash Fest, and I told her that I'll catch her later at Lash Fest. She was so sweet. But we came back. I changed. I was not feeling my outfit. I feel like Cheetah is a little more me. We have to actually go down to the salon, check out the venue, and then we're gonna go down to Lash Fest. I know Ariel speaks at 12, so we kind of had to rush things a little bit. If it wasn't for us going to the venue, then we would have been there by now. So it's all good. So yeah, let's head out. We need to go check out the venue, and then we are going to Lash Fest. I feel like I said that 3 times already. So annoying. All right, let's go.
I googled, not even on any half, I just googled best eyelash extension. Normally when I speak
Toronto, Canada, and it is her desire that as lash artists we all have access to the highest level of education, as well as all of the best tools to get the job done. It's her goal to be part of the innovation in our constantly evolving lash industry. Please welcome to the stage, Ariel Renee.
Not a necessity, right? Okay, so a Rolls Royce, not a necessity. Okay, the definition of luxury is something expensive, which is not necessary but gives you pleasure. And I think you can all say lash extensions is
Lost artistry artistry into the multi-million-dollar business that it is today. She's here to share with us a really lashy talk today, so I'm super excited. Please welcome CEO of Lost Artistry, the fabulous Caitlin Albert.
I had a feeling she was going to say that. Good.
Have you taken that Lash course and it didn't meet your expectations? Right? You see how you're nodding? Don't be that trainer. We want to share some of the key, most important things on how you can be different as an educator and trainer.
Why are you afraid to push? Why? You have to learn to allow yourself to be loved in the process, to be taught, to be educated.
You can lead the horse to the water, you cannot make it drink. So it doesn't matter what I can tell them. Here, you do this, you make $10,000 a month, they still won't do it. And don't stop. That's not what I'm trying to say, but to define it softer and more in a professional way, I guess, is you have to stay resourceful.
Video. So we are back in the hotel room. Why am I so tired? You can't get it? What? I'm having my husband put on my heels because I'm too tired. So we are getting ready to head out to go grab some dinner. Too tired to go to the parties that they're having. So, and on top of it too, we have a training in the morning. We have to wake up early, so I'm trying to rest up for tomorrow. You can't get it? Let me just say, guys, this event has been truly life-changing, and it was definitely something that I needed. Like everything that I heard, especially the people that I've met a few of you guys, which was such a blessing being able to meet a few of you guys, and oh my god, it's been such an honor. I also won an award, which I was not expecting. It was pretty crazy because I was not in the room when they called out my name. I was out in the hallway talking to some girls, and apparently I missed it. So the owner came up to me, she's like, oh hey, you won, by the way. I'm like, what? So yeah, that was pretty nice of them. But tomorrow's our training. We're excited, more than excited. I think I'm more than ready, especially after hearing all the talks this weekend. I'm so fired up, I'm so excited. I can't wait to go back home, start creating content, get back on the grind mode. It's just been an amazing weekend, that's all I have to say. So let's go out to dinner. I still don't know where we're gonna go eat. I think P.F. Chang's, don't know yet, but I am wearing all pink. So I got pink pants. I don't know if you can see that. I got pink everything, so I look like a Barbie today. All right, let's go to dinner. Okay, we got some balloons in here for our training tomorrow, but I just wanted to show you guys real quick. So I did get some stuff from Lost Artistry. She also gave me some magnifying glasses, which I'm excited to use, but I just wanted to show you guys this. I don't know what to say, honestly. I was not expecting to win an award, and the fact that I missed it, I did not go on stage and receive it. I'm so sad about it. But yes, I won an award, my first lash event ever, and this means so much. This actually motivated me even more to work hard for you guys, and I'm so excited for what the future holds and for all the content that I'm ready to create. Oh, you can't see nothing.
Set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know Or can we just get over ourselves? I know we should. You cast your spell and now we're under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah, made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free. Set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh, hey, yeah.
All right, we're going to the gym. Why do I look like that? It is so hot, guys. So hot. We got our Uber coming. We got my cute Uber coming. Hello. I'm like, I got my cute Uber coming. Not you, her.
I took it to open it and do the cheers.
Okay.
It's weird if it's not open.
I'll spill mine for sure. So
Yeah, no.
Yes.
Yours is tilted that way. So.
Cheers.
Cheers. They have like,
It's just like that.
it's like artsy.
It's different.
It's
This is-
different.
what is it called?
It's called John Reed.
It's called John Reed.
Judderies. She's
And
like,
then, you know what's so
hey.
funny? So we went to the guy and we were like at the counter and we're like
Yeah.
checking in, whatever. And then I'm like, oh, so like we're like, oh, so who's John Reed? And then he's like, I couldn't tell you. I was like, oh,
Really?
they didn't give you that at like orientation or anything.
That's so funny.
He's like,
Have
yeah,
you
we
Googled it? Let's Google it.
Yeah, oh my god.
Good workout or what? Me too.
My butt, it got bigger.
Hey, booty. Where we going? We don't know. We're gonna figure it out.
Right.
He's so cute. Alright guys, cheers. We're not doing it yet? You already took it? I'm gonna die. No.
Have that in Vegas.
Yeah.
Over there is just so busy. You gotta reserve.
So do we have to reserve combo?
I don't know. This is the girl's like, I want wispy, like, I don't get to play with people's lashes. Like,
You should do like models. You should request to do models.
yeah, it's either soft, or they want like mega, like extreme mega. There's no in between.
I think if you were to actually start posting pictures. actually have a magic trick that I do.
Oh my god, what is your
I need a knife for this.
Oh my god, don't hit me in the face, bro.
Break it.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do a group photo as well, okay?
And you can catch the video on YouTube too.
It was so fun for you guys. You guys were an amazing group, and you guys are doing so good. We're so proud of you guys.
I don't think I said that more than you know.
Congratulations. Cheers. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, been a good girl.
That was so funny. I'm like, oh, we'll just walk. They'll find us.
I can't ice skate to save my life. I had to hold on to the rail.
Canada. We don't need to do that.
And you're from Canada, you should know.
Yeah, I break my ass. I'm not gonna deny it.
Cheers. Cheers. Look at all those boots. Oh, look at that hat. Don't tell me. That's so cute. Oh, I love it.